Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Dear student, our topic is cellular organization of plants and animal. Creative question. We will discuss about creative question based on this chapter. We have already discussed some topic in this chapter. Now we will discuss creative question answer. Let's start our class. This is first creative question answer according to your book, and this is class number 3. Let's start. 1 number creative question. Here is two figure. You can see figure number P and figure number Q. Question is A number, what is blood? B number, what is mean by epithelial tissue? C number, explain the importance of bones in figure P. That means this figure. D number, compare the tissue of the figure P and Q. Compare the tissue of figure P and Q. Now answer. A number question was, what is blood? The answer will be, blood is a liquid connective tissue. The connective tissue, we already know that connective tissue established connection among different tissues and organs. B number, the tissue that covers the exposed parts of the body and remain as layers on interior walls of different cavities and canals are called epithelial tissue. Outer covering of our skin and internal lining of our mouth, etc. Now C number answer. C number question was, explain the importance of bone in figure P. That means this figure, first figure. Then answer will be, bones of our arm is shown in figure P. Voluntary muscles are stick to the bone of arm. Muscles that we can contract and expand at our will and make our organs move are called voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles help our elbow to bend and also to move. As a result, we can hold and touch anything by hand. So the importance of bones in figure P is enormous. Now number D answer. Number D question was, compare the tissue of the figure P and Q. That means this figure P and Q. Answer will be, figure P is voluntary muscle, Q is intestine. Intestine is composed of involuntary muscle. Differences between voluntary muscle and involuntary muscle are mentioned below. In this box, this is voluntary muscle figure according to figure P, and in this box is involuntary muscle figure Q. Voluntary muscle, 1 number point is, this type of muscular tissue can be contracted or expanded at the will of the living beings. That means we can move this according to our will. Involuntary muscle, 1 number point is the contraction and expansion of these muscular tissue is not at will of the living beings. Number 2 point is the cells of the voluntary muscular tissue are tubular, not branched. And this point, involuntary muscle, is 2 number point is this muscle tissue is spindle shape. That means spindle shape, like this shape you can see, spindle shape. Three number point, voluntary muscle, is the contraction capacity of the voluntary tissue is fast and strong. And involuntary muscle, 3 number point is the contraction capacity of the involuntary tissues is slow. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic and you have to do some SW. Your SW will be creative question answer 1 and sub number is A, B, C. This is your SW. That means you know these question A, B and C. Student, do your SW in your SW copy and submit your SW every Sunday in our school, and you can collect your previous SW in the same day. So dear student, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.